Welcome to the B.Tech coaching center. I am going to give you short tricks of the trigonometric functions like ASTC. What do you mean by the ASTC of trigonometric functions? Now I am going to make the quadrant. This is the 2D plane ASTC. What do you mean by the ASTC? Now we are talking about the positive, not the negative. So that's why we are talking about the positive angle. For the anti-clockwise direction, we will discuss about this. But this is the first quadrant, direction towards the right side, that is the positive. Upward direction, that is the positive, as you all know. Direction towards the left side always taken as negative, and downward direction always taken as negative. Now, here is the first quadrant plus, and A means all. A means 1. It means there are total 6 trigonometry: sine, cos, tan, and reciprocal cosec, sec, right? And reciprocal of tan, that is the cos, and all are positive. In the second quadrant, only F means sine and its reciprocal, that is cosec, are positive, and rest of the trigonometric functions are negative. Now in the third quadrant, T means tan and its reciprocal, that is the cos, right? And these are positive, and rest of the trigonometric functions are negative. Now here is the fourth quadrant, right? First, second, third, and anti-clockwise direction. We are talking about the positive. Why positive? I am going to tell you afterwards, right? Incidentally. C means cos and its reciprocal, that is the sec, are positive, and rest of the trigonometric ratios are negative. You know why the anti-clockwise direction the angle is positive? Here, there is the angle, right? Now this is the common point, that is the O. Now the person here is, now he is changing its position from A to the position B. This is the rotational direction. This is the initial terminal. This is the initial side, or this is the final or terminal side, right? The angle between the rotational measurement of initial side and the terminal side is called angle. What? Angle. This is the positive anti-clockwise direction, right? This is the right? 12, 6, 9, that is the 3. This is the clockwise direction, and this is anti-clockwise direction. Now this angle is formed in the direction of anti-clockwise. That's why this angle is positive. And now here is the person now when coming from the position A to position C, and this is the common point, that is the O, right? And this angle is called negative angle because this is the clockwise direction. This angle is formed in the direction of clockwise. That's why this is negative. And now in the anti-clockwise direction, actually this concept we have to understand in the direction of anti-clockwise, right? Now here is the ASTC. Thank you so much.